Okay, guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to give you a transformation demo. I don't know if there has been any more posted out there, but this will be a little bit in depth. It's going to be kind of a long video. It took me about an hour for me to get it the first time so that I can help you guys transform yours a little bit easier. So there's a few things that I'm going to point out that will hopefully help you guys. So here we go. First of all, in the first video, I do want to mention I did not show the ab crunch. The reason for the ab crunch is if you look back here, there's a little blue peg and it snaps into this, and it was super tight. So now that I've done it a couple of times, you can kind of see how it snaps in place. And it's very tight. So there you go. All right, let's get to transformation. Get this guy lined up here. And we're gonna pull this out of here. Okay, gun's off to the side. I'm going to start with his hands, just because the hands are easiest for him. And I've had people say, why does this guy have such long nails? Well, let me tell you, when you're transforming vehicles like this, you need these nails to get into little cracks like this and pull them apart. So there you go. That's why. All right, so this is going to flip this way. Your thumb's going to flip in like that, and then this is only going to actually flip in about halfway when you flip it down, because this actually needs to stay somewhat open, as you can see right here, for it to close. All right, do that again on the other side. Here's kind of wrap inside there. And then close it up. All right. That's done. Now we're going to pop this part here so that we can fold his head back. And then while you're also doing that, you're going to lift this up and you're going to pull this guy out of here like that. These parts are all going to fold. So that folds there. That folds there. This guy's fold in place there. And then this is an important feature. This was the first thing and the only thing I had to look at instructions for, but these little flaps have to fold in after this has been closed back here, while this is still closed like that, in order for this to actually lock in place. I'll do that again so we can see what happened here. So you can see it needs to clear the shoulders in order for it to snap in place. Okay, now that we've done that, we can move on to getting this stuff folded in. So this right here is going to twist around like so, and down, and this is going to twist up like that. Do that to this side. Like that, and then like that, so that you can see it. All right, lock these pieces in place here, like that. And lock into there. But when you do that, you have to make sure that this piece is all the way up, because that is going to lock there like that. These are very tough to push in and get locked into place. But once they lock into place, they're in good shape. There we go, like that. Okay. All right. Now, next thing that we have to do is we have to spin a couple things around. So these guys have to come down, and you're going to have to twist this. Now, I've had to do this 3 times now, which has finally given me the ability to twist on these without using pliers. So just be aware, the first probably 2 times that you do this, you're probably going to have to use a pair of pliers, kind of like these, you know, something that doesn't harm the plastic. But this is plastic, this is die cast right here, and this is die cast and painted. So, all right, next we're going to pop this thing up like that. Then we have to pull these guys like this so that this piece twists around like this. All right, now we'll do the feet. All right, so the feet, we'll start with the feet themselves. This part's going to come up and flip all the way around like that on both sides. Okay, and then we're going to get this part right here. It needs to unhinge, and it's a very tight piece. All right, so there's a little pin here and a little tab there, and you're going to need those later on. All right, and then this piece is going to fold around like that, and then go up at a 90 degree. Same for the other side. Fold that 90 degree. All right. Next, we are going to open this part. So that unpegs from there and turns like this. And then this wheel is actually going to fold into the other side like this, and then lock into place there. And we'll do that to this side, like that, fold that over, and lock that wheel into place. And then this piece is going to fold down on both sides, like such. And then these pieces right here that were down like that are going to fold in on both sides. All right. All right. And then we can fold those back in. There we go. All right. And then we can actually put these parts together if we want at this point. And then we can fold these in. And then we're going to push down on these. We're going to push down on these ends here so that those snap into place. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then once you get all that into place, you're going to lock these like that. And then this one too. That locks it there. And then this part's going to close down like this. Make sure these sharp edges are out of the way. And you do want to lift these doors a little bit as you're tucking this in place here. And everything should just fall right into place at this point. And then we're going to snap these guys into place down there. And then the same goes for this side here. And then this gotta use my nails again here. Lift the trunk out of the way. All right, and here we are with our red alert from Takara Masterpiece. From this direction here, they're exactly the same. This is just a little wider in the front, but not enough to really make that much of a difference. And I kind of like it that way, but you guys can be your own decisions. All right, lenses do actually come up for his headlights. He's definitely a heavy beast, especially compared to this thing. It's all plastic. All right, and there you go. And that is the transformation of Fans Toys Spoiler, aka Knockdown. Yes, Knockdown. So that was corrected on my last video. Thank you guys for that. Oh, I missed a spot here. That's gonna lock in place there. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful for you.